I'm yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sounds like it. These are the days of our lives. You can't leave home because I'm going to move down there. Yeah. Huh. Time they flew away. Yeah. I am filming my cat drinking out of my cup. I'm going to see if I can email it to you. It's funny when she does it. It's like, he's at the house in Morgan County. Yeah. No. Yeah.